how to identify your Hoppe lock gearbox and get your replacement on order. You will need a tape measure for this process. If you are ready, then let's begin. First things first, open the door up and look on the edge of the door, on the lock strip faceplate, and just under the striker latch wedge area. You should see a stamped insignia logo that says Hoppe. If you do, that's good. Second step, just under the Hoppe insignia, you should have a small wedge. This keeps the lock from being activated while in the open position and causing damage to the lock, the door panel, or the door frame. This is called the mishandling device wedge. This feature indicates that it is the currently available HLS 9000 series manual handle activated multi-point lock by Hoppe. If you do not have this mishandling device wedge, it is one of the following: a single point lock, which locks only at the deadbolt and does not require you to lift up on the handle before turning the deadbolt. Possibility number 2. You have what is called an automatic lock. These locks will not have a mishandling device, nor require you to lift the handle when activating the lock. This lock activates when you close the door. After that, you can turn the key or thumb turn to lock the door. Possibility number 3. You may have an older Hoppe HLS 9000 series that was discontinued before Hoppe introduced the mishandling device feature. Currently on all Hoppe HLS 9000 multi-point door locks. If you do not have this feature currently on your existing lock, a replacement gearbox will not repair your lock and is not an option. You will need a new lock body comprised of the gearbox and the faceplate. More information will have to be obtained to replace the entire lock body. Third step, we need to find out what the backset measurement is. This measurement is the distance from the center of the handle or key to the edge of the door where the lock strip faceplate is. Hoppe only has 4 backset possibilities. Again, there are only 4 backsets available offered by Hoppe. The available backset measurements are 35 millimeters or 1 3/8 inch, 45 millimeters or 1 3/4 inch, which is the most common backset, 60 millimeters or 2 3/8 inch, 70 millimeters or 2 3/4 inch, which is the least commonly used. Fourth step. What is the deadbolt throw distance? If you can, open the door, lift up on the handle, then turn the deadbolt to extend the deadbolt outwards. Once the deadbolt has been thrown, how far is it extended out of the lock strip faceplate? There are only 2 deadbolt extension lengths available from Hoppe. It is either a 1/2 inch throw or a 1 inch throw deadbolt. The most common deadbolt throw length is 1 inch, and some believe it is much more secure. So as a recap, you have confirmed that your lock is a Hoppe lock, correct? You have confirmed that your current lock has a mishandling device wedge feature, correct? Lastly, you have measured the backset and have confirmed that it is one of the 4 backsets provided by Hoppe, correct? If all is correct, then you can order a replacement gearbox to repair your Hoppe HLS 9000 series manual multi-point door lock. You will not have to replace all the lock components from top to bottom. Here are the 4 in-stock gearboxes. We ship out daily via priority mail and should get to you in approximately 2 or 3 days. Just to let you know, we stock the 3 most commonly used gearboxes on hoppelocks.com. These gearbox replacements are 35 millimeter backset or 1 3/8 inch, 45 millimeter backset or 1 3/4 inch, and the 60 millimeter backset or 2 3/8 inch, all with the 1 inch deadbolt throw length. If you need any more help or have additional questions, visit hoppelocks.com. We will be glad to help you. You can also email us at hoppelocks@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and take care.